a little struggle with the gas can or gas tank, but we have it in. Gas tank is in. Got the 2 bolts connecting the gas tank and the cover right here. The gas tank and the cover connect together in the back and separately in the front. In the front, the gas tank connects here and over there, and the cover connects under the chassis on the sides. Alright, I'll tighten those up. Next thing I'm going to do is put my fuel pump back in. I got it all cleaned up. The little filter goes, before I try to screw this down, to get these 6 little screws in here, I'll put the screws through the little rubber gasket first. Okay, I think I have all the screws in there, so it's lined up. And then this one needs to go straight forward. So this one has to go under that edge a little bit and get those screw holes lined up. And just snug up all these screws. Not too tight, just enough to squeeze the gasket a little bit. Next I'm going to put on my little fuel vapor separator. A couple little washers. And just tighten that up. The drain holes on the bottom there. This is 1/4 inch fuel vapor line. I'm going to put these guys on. This one goes on the bottom here, and the other end will go on right here. This is the drain back. This one's about 5.5 inches long. And this one goes from here to here. Just put a dab of WD-40 on there and they'll slide on a lot easier. Trouble getting those over the knob, so 1/4 inch is a little bit smaller than the original. This one's about 5 inches long. There we go. Next I'm going to put this little 2-way valve on. The orange side points away from the vapor separator there. And put this bracket on like that. And then these little screws. Then I'll tighten that up. I've got another one of these about 5 inches. See if I can slide that on. Got those on. This is a return fuel line. It goes under these 2 over here and connects. Put a couple of these. Let's see, go over here, wrap these 2 wires together. This wire wrap goes around the fuel return hose. One also. Goes around the fuel supply hose. Alright, I think I have the top of the tank done. I'm going to leave the fill hole and the vent here plugged up for now, so I don't want to get dust and dirt inside the gas tank. Oh, I forgot to put this brake line back on the rear differential. It has 5 little clips that screw on the differential. Okay, I just screwed these brake lines on loosely, finger tight, down here to the other side. I'll have to readjust that a little bit when I put the brakes on. The next thing I'm going to do now is put my fuel filter back on. When putting this fuel filter bracket in place, be sure to put the nut part on the upside, otherwise it'll be hard to change your filters with the body on there. Next, I'm going to stick the fuel filter in. The fuel filter has these little brackets on it like this. These are for the line here. They fit on like that. So you want to put them on so they line up with the tubes. Probably need to turn that just a little bit. There we go. Like that. And then I'll just stick the nut up from the bottom and screw that together. Alright, I got this clamping bolt tightened up, and now I'm just going to tighten up the brackets. Okay, next I'm going to put these banjo fittings on. New washers. Oh, there's two different kinds. I'm not sure why, but this one goes on the intake side. And the washer on there. On this one. Line this one up. And then I will go ahead and tighten these up. Just a note, use 2 wrenches always to tighten these filter bolts up. Use one to hold on to there and one there. On the other side, same thing. One there, one there. 2 wrenches to tighten.